like to take a moment to point out a few things to some people perhaps I don't know. This is a alternating current generator. That makes it an alternator. There's also a direct current generator. That's called a generator. Here's the way this works. This is a generator. All alternators and generators are generators. If it is a direct current generator, like the old school ones, they're just called generators. If it is an alternating current generator, which this one is because it's got a large bell housing here, it's called an alternating current generator. That's the proper terminology. This is not an alternator, it's an alternating current generator, shortened to the term alternator. This assembly here is a distributor. This is technically the distributor. That's the distributor cap. These are spark plug wires here. And then a couple spark plug wires go over here down to these, disappear into the tin shrouding here. Oops. Let's see. This is the coil, this blue thing here. It takes electricity from the battery. A little bit of electricity from the battery. It makes it a lot of electricity from the battery. Let's see. This is the oil filler neck right here. This looks like it's part of the intake manifold right along here. Fuel goes down in the carburetor here. Gets distributed through some pipes. These pipes right here. There's a pipe there. Goes down into little holes in there into the cylinders. Let's see. Yeah, so this is the carburetor, right? Oh, this is the choke on the carburetor. See, there's a positive wire from the choke that goes to the positive side of the coil, probably. That's the fuel line there. This is the muffler, the exhaust system. This is part of the mustache. There's a motor mount in there. Yes, you can put the motor mount in with the engine in. It's possible to wiggle it. If you're good at Tetris, you can do it. A couple of bolts there. Gotta tell you, when screws. When I remove these screws this time, I'm going to get screws that are longer so that the head of them sticks out further by, I don't know, 5 millimeters. And they're going to be bolts, not flathead screwdriver screws. They're going to be bolts. My goal is to be able to undo each of these 4 bolts. There's one down there, and then there's one way down here, in an effort to be able to pull the whole entire alternating current generator, the alternator, out of the vehicle without taking the whole engine out of the vehicle. And I think that might be doable. Just have to take off this as well, this little bolt here, and on the other side. So this has to be a bolt as well. And then this whole shrouding might be able to lift up, and it might be doable. I'm not sure. Anyway, that is that. I hope these videos help you.